Today we are going to learn homogeneous linear differential equations of higher order with constant coefficients. Last class we discussed about second order. Today we are going to discuss about homogeneous differential equations of higher order. In the previous class we discussed about only second order. Okay, in this class we are higher order. After this class we are going to learn the general form of homogeneous linear differential equation of nth order, and second one, working rule to find the general solution of the above equation and problems. Okay, we discuss the general form. First one, general form of a linear differential equation of nth order with constant coefficients, and second one, working rule to find the general solution of above equation, means how to find the general solution of nth order differential equation. It is similar to second order. Next we will see the problems. Okay, first one, general form of linear differential equation of nth order. The general form of nth order homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficients is a naught into d to the power of ny by dx to the power of n plus a1 into d to the power of n minus 1 y by dx to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 into d to the power of n minus 2 y by dx to the power of n minus 2 plus dash dash a n y equal to 0, where a naught, a1, a2 dash dash a n are constants, that is the coefficients. And in this, here order dny by dx to the power of n means order is n, so it is nth order differential equation, and all the derivatives powers are 1. Y power is also 1, all the derivatives and y power is 1 means equal, that is homogeneous, and equal to 1, so linear, and it is a differential equation equal to 0, differential equation, therefore it is, and constants, coefficients are constants, therefore this is differential equation. General form of it, nth order homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Okay, this is a naught into d to the power of ny by dx to the power of n plus a1 into dn minus 1y by dx to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 into d to the power of n minus 2y by dx to the power of n minus 2 plus dash dash an of y equal to 0. It is nth order homogeneous linear differential equation with constant coefficients. In the next we will see how to working rule to find the general solution of this equation. Working rule to find the general solution of this equation, f of d of y equal to 0. Here we have 4 steps. So first, write the given differential equation in the symbolic form, that is a naught d to the power of n plus a1 into d to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 into d to the power of n minus 2 plus dash dash an of y equal to 0. That is f of d of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to this function a naught d to the power of n plus a1 d to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 d to the power of n minus 2 plus dash dash an. Next, second step. First step, symbolic form. Second step, write down the auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. A naught f of m equal to 0 means in the f of d equal to 0, we have to replace d by m, that is a naught m to the power of n plus a1 m to the power of n minus 1 plus dash dash an equal to 0. Next, third step, solve this equation. Solve this auxiliary equation, it is order n, so we get auxiliary equation for m, we get n roots, that is say m1, m2, m3 dash dash mn are the roots. So next fourth step, according to the nature of the roots, this auxiliary equal roots, we write down the general solution of equation 1 as follows. Depending on this roots, n roots, first we have to write symbolic form, next auxiliary equation, next solutions means roots of the equation n roots, and depending nature of these roots we will write the solution of the equation 1 as follows. Here different cases, suppose if n is real and distinct roots, n real and distinct roots, all m1, m2, m3, mn are real and different, then the general solution is y equal to c1 into m1x plus c2 into m2x plus c3 into m3x plus dash dash cn into mnx. In the previous class we studied up to 2 only, here n means extend up to n. Okay, all n roots are real and different. Then the solution y equal to c1 e to the power of m1x plus c2 e to the power of m2x plus dash dash cn e to the power of mnx. Next, suppose m1 two roots are equal, remaining roots, two roots are equal and remaining roots are real and different. Two roots are real equal and remaining n minus 2 roots are real and different. Then first two roots that is equal means c1 plus c2x e to the power of m1x or mx, and remaining roots are different, so c3 e to the power of m3x plus c4 e to the power of m4x plus dash dash cn e to the power of mnx. That is the solution. Next, third possibility is if three roots are equal and remaining n minus 3 roots are real and different, means m1, 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 three roots are equal, remaining roots are different. If three roots are equal, then y equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e to the power of m1x, and remaining real and different c4 e to the power of m4x plus c5 e to the power of m5x plus dash cn e to the power of mnx. That is the solution. First case all are different, second case two roots are real and equal, remaining are different, and third case three roots are real and equal, remaining are different. That is the solution. Next, fourth possibilities, we have different combination of possibilities. Fourth one, conjugate complex roots. Two roots are alpha plus I beta, second root alpha minus I beta, remaining roots are real and distinct. Two roots are complex means y equal to e to the power of alpha x plus c1 beta x plus c2 sin beta x, remaining are real and different, so c3 e to the power of m3x plus c4 e to the power of m4x plus cn e to the power of mnx. That is, two roots are complex root, remaining are real and distinct. Then fourth one, if two equal complex conjugate roots, that is alpha plus I beta, alpha plus or minus I beta, twice repeated two times, then remaining roots are real and different, then solution is y equal to e to the power of ax c1 plus c2x cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x sin beta x. This is complex roots are repeating and remaining roots are real and different, c5 e to the power of m5x plus dash cn e to the power of mnx. Two complex roots are repeating. In total 4 values, alpha plus or minus I beta are repeating twice. Two times the c1 plus c2x of cos beta x plus c3 plus c4x of sin beta x, remaining are real and different. This is the different possibilities, and many more combinations will come according to we write the solution. Next, means first we have to write symbolic form, auxiliary equation. Solving the auxiliary equation we get n values, nth order equation. According to n values we have to write the different solutions. Next, problems. First problem, solve d cube minus 2d square minus d plus 2 of y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. So here given differential equation d cube minus 2d square minus d plus 2 of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube minus 2d square minus d plus 2. So first it is in the symbolic form. So auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. F of m equal to 0 means m cube minus 2m square minus m plus 2 equal to 0. Factors, here in first two terms m square is common, we get m minus 2, and second two terms minus 1 is common, m minus 2 equal to 0, and m minus 2 common, we get m square minus 1 equal to 0. So m minus 2 as it is, m square minus 1 means m square minus 1 square, a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 2, m equal to minus 1, 1 means 3 roots, 2 comma minus 1 comma 1 real and different. Here we have m1 equal to 2, m2 equal to minus 1, m3 equal to 1. 3 different values, real and different. So general solution of equation 1, it is first case, there n different. Here first case, y equal to c1 e to the power of m1x plus c2 e to the power of m2x plus c3 e to the power of m3x. So general solution c1 e to the power of 2x, c2 e to the power of minus x, c3 e to the power of x. This is the general solution. Okay, write down the problem. Go to next problem. Only here we need to remember those steps only. First, symbolic form, auxiliary equation, solving auxiliary equation, and depending on the roots we have to write solution. Here given differential equation is third order, so we get 3 values. If it is a fourth order, 4 values. Fifth order, 5 values. Next problem, is it over? Next problem, solve d cube y by dx cube minus d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. d square y by d cube y by dx cube minus d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus plus y equal to 0. So given differential equation, this is d cube y by dx cube minus d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So first write in the form of symbolic form. D cube y by dx cube means d cube, d square y by dx square means d square, dy by dx means d, y means 1 of y equal to 0. F of d of y equal to 0. So where f of d equal to d cube minus d square minus d plus 1. Next, auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation means f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. And first two terms, m square is common, m minus 1, and next two terms minus 1 is common, m minus 1. So m minus 1 is common, m square minus 1. m minus 1, m square minus 1 means 1 whole square, m square minus 1 square means a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. M minus 1 into m square minus 1, that is a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. M minus 1 as it is, a minus b means m minus 1 by m plus 1. Therefore m equal to 1, 1 minus 1. 3 values, third order degree equation is 3 values. In this we are getting 2 values are real and equal. Remaining one is real and different. So 2 values are real and different and 1 value is different. So general solution of equation 1 is y equal to c1 plus c2 e to the power of mx plus c3 into e to the power of m3x. Therefore y equal to c1 plus c2x of e to the power of x into c3 into e to the power of minus x. This is solution, general solution of the given equation. Here two roots are real and equal and another real and equal and another is real and different. So this is the solution. Write down the problem. Only we need to remember the steps. First one, symbolic form, f of t value will come, auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, solve the equation, find the roots, and then depending of the nature of the roots write the solution. It is either second order differential equation or third order or fourth order, any order, same procedure. Write down this page also. We'll start next. Okay, we will move to next problem. So solve d cube y by dx cube minus 6 into d square y by dx square plus 11 into dy by dx minus 6y equal to 0. Here also it is third order differential equation. So first step, given differential equation d cube y by dx cube minus 6 into d square y by dx square plus 11 into dy by dx minus 6y equal to 0. So if you write in the symbolic form, d cube y by dx cube means d cube, d square y by dx square means d square, dy by dx means d, y means y. So we get d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6 of y equal to 0. So compare equation 1 with f of d of y equal to 0, standard form. We get f of d equal to d cube minus 6d square plus 11d minus 6. Okay, it is symbolic form. We got f of d equal to value. Then next step, second step, auxiliary equation. So f of m equal to 0. So in the place of d, we have f of d, in place of d we have to substitute m and equate to 0. That is, we get m cube minus 6m square plus 11m minus 6 equal to 0. So in this equation we don't get factors, direct factors. In the last two examples we directly got the factors, but here we want to get the factors. So we use it is third order equation, so we have to use synthetic division method. For synthetic division method, we have to find at least one root. First we have to find one root for the equation. How means it is trial and error method. If suppose m equal to 1, substitute m equal to 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4 like values. Here I am substituting m equal to 1, m 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. That is 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 means 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Means m equal to 1. If you substitute m equal to 1, the equation is 2. Means m equal to 1 is the root for f of m equal to 0, or m minus 1 is the factor for f of m equal to 0. So if factors won't come, we have to identify the one root by trial and error method. Here we are getting m equal to 1. If you substitute m equal to 1, we are getting equation is 0, means m equal to 1 is the root. Then how to proceed? Synthetic division process. Synthetic division means we have to use synthetic division. Synthetic division means we need to write all the coefficients. Here m cube coefficient is 1, m square coefficient is minus 6, m coefficient is 11, constant is minus 6. This coefficient, first m cube 1, m square minus 6, 11 and 6. You have to write in the order. Okay, same order. That is by synthetic division, 1 minus 6, 11 minus 6. We do. First we take m equal to 1. Here 0. It is, first of all we have to take it is 0. So 1 plus 0. We have to add these two values. 1 plus 0 we get 1. After getting this result, multiply with this 1. Multiplication. 1 into 1 right here. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. So minus 5 into 1 minus 5. So 11 plus 5. 11 minus 5 6. So 6 into 1 6 minus 6 plus 6 0. Compulsory we will get here 6. 0. Sorry. After this one, after division, first we need to take all the coefficients in order. If any term is missing, we have to take that coefficient is 0. Okay. Then first take here 0. Adding these two terms, we get 1. 1 plus 0 1. And after getting this answer, multiply with this m value, m into 1, write in the here. After adding these two values, minus 5 into 1, we get the here minus 5, and adding these two values we get 6 into 1 right here. Then minus 6 plus is 0. After getting these values, here minus 1 minus 5 plus 6, we can write f of m as, first one is 1 here comes means m minus 1. Then it is f of m, given f of m is third degree m cube. We have to start here 1 degree less, means second order. So m square, 1 into m square minus 5 into m plus 6, constant is 6. We have to start with 1 lesser degree. It is third order degree, means we have to take second. 1 into m square minus 5 into m plus 6 equal to 0. This is the f of m. So factors, take factors. M square minus 5m plus 6 means m minus 1 is same. Then m square minus 2m minus 3m plus 6 equal to 0. Common, m minus 1 is as it is. M common first two terms, m minus 2 minus 3 common, m minus 2. In these two terms, m minus 2 is common. We get m minus 1, m minus 2 common, m minus 3. So m equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So three values are real and different. So solution is y equal to c1 e to the power of m1x plus c2 e to the power of m2x plus c3 e to the power of m3x. Here three values are real and different. Therefore we get y equal to c1 e to the power of x plus c2 e to the power of 2x, c3 e to the power of 3x. Write down the problem. Here d cube. Here we are not getting direct factors. So by trial and method we have to identify one root. After identifying the one root, all the coefficients, write all the coefficients write these all the coefficients, m cube coefficient, m square coefficient, m coefficient, constant 1, minus 6, 11, minus 6, like that. In this coefficient and m equal to 1, take this division. It is synthetic division method. This method is called synthetic division method. Then while writing this answer, getting this answer, while writing it is already given m cube. F of m is a m cube. We have to take one lesser degree. So start with m square. 1 into m square minus 5 into m plus 6. Then factor, normal method. Second, it is second order degree equation, means it is normal method. If root comes, direct factors. If won't come, we have to use the formula. Okay, write down. Only steps. Here we are getting extra synthetic division without factors. Over. Next move to next problem. Solve d cube minus 1 of y equal to 0. So here given differential equation is d cube minus 1 of y equal to 0. Compare f of d of y equal to 0. We get f of d equal to d cube minus 1. d cube minus 1. So auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus 1. 1 means it is 1 cube. m cube minus 1 cube means a cube minus b cube formula, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here a equal to m, b equal to 1. So substituting in this, we get m minus 1 into m square plus m plus 1 equal to 0. So m minus 1 equal to 0, that is m equal to 1 value, that is over. Next, m square plus m plus 1, we won't get direct factors. So use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1. So by substituting, we get m equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 means minus root 3 by 2. In the square root, if you get minus, means that minus root 1 is I. So minus 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 into I. That is the form of a plus or minus ib. A equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to root 3 by 2. Means here 3 roots. 2 roots are complex roots and 1 root is the real. 1 root is the real root and remaining 2 roots are complex numbers. So solution, the general solution is y equal to c1 e to the power of m1x plus it is general real value, and complex e to the power of ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. So substituting values, we get y equal to c1 e to the power of x plus e to the power of c1 e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus 1 by 2x plus c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus c2 sin root 3 by 2x. This is the solution. Okay, write down. Here we got 2 complex roots and 1 real root. So write down the problem. Depending on the situation, you have to write nature of the roots. We have to write the general solution. It is a different combination of root values. Here and we don't get the roots for this quadratic equation directly, no factors, so use the formula. Write down the problem. over next problem. Solve d to the power of 4 minus 81 of y equal to 0. d to the power of 4 minus 81 of y equal to 0. Already it is in the symbolic form. So given differential equation d to the power of 4 minus 81 of y equal to 0. So compare with f of d of y equal to 0 standard form, we get f of d equal to d to the power of 4 minus 81. So auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, that is m to the power of 4 minus 81 equal to 0. m to the power of 4 means m square whole square, 81 means 9 square. So m square whole square minus 9 square equal to 0, a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. So a means here m square, b means 9. So m square minus 9 and m square plus 9 equal to 0. So m square minus 9 means it is also same, 9 means 3 square, m square minus 3 square. So a plus b into a minus b plus m square plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to minus 3 plus 3 and m square equal to minus 9 from this equation. M square equal to minus 9 means m equal to plus or minus square root of minus 9, root minus 1 equal to I, and root 9 means 3i, means plus or minus 3i, that is 0 plus or minus 3i. Means here order is fourth order differential equation. We got to 4 values, that is minus 3 plus 3 and plus or minus 3i, plus 3i minus 3i, means 2 complex roots and 2 real roots. Therefore the general solution we have 2 real roots and 2 complex roots. Therefore the general solution is y equal to c1 e to the power of minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of 3x plus for complex roots e to the power of 0x into c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Here a equal to 0, b equal to 3. Therefore by simplification e to the power of 0 equal to 1. So y equal to c1 e to the power of minus 3x plus c2 e to the power of 3x plus c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. For real roots minus 3 comma 3, this is the solution, and 0 plus or minus 3i. For complex roots a equal to 0, b equal to 3, it is a solution combination of these two solutions. It is the final answer. So here 2 values are real and 2 values are imaginary, complex numbers. Write down the problem. Okay, write down the problem solution. We will move to next problem. Solve here d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 of y equal to 0. Third order differential equation. Given differential equation d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1 of y equal to 0. Compare with f of d of y equal to 0, already in the symbolic form. So f of d equal to d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1. So auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus 3m square plus 3m minus 1 equal to 0. Here direct factors are not possible, so synthetic division method, we have to trial and error method, first find the root, one root. If you substitute m equal to 1, that is 1 cube means 1, 3m square means minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Total will plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 1 1 cancel, total we will get 0. By synthetic division, m equal to 1. Here we have to take m equal to 1, the root value. And next coefficient, m cube coefficient is 1, m square coefficient minus 3, m coefficient 3 minus 1. So same, first we have to take 0, 1 plus 0 1, so 1 into 1 1, then 1 into 1 1, this is addition, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, addition, minus 3 plus 2 equal to 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 plus minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Then write the f of m. Here already third degree, means we have to start second degree. So m minus 1 into m square, 1 into m square minus 2 into m plus 1. This is. So it is m square minus 2m plus 1 means a minus b whole square, that is m minus 1 whole square. So we got it. Already m minus 1 and m minus 1 whole square means three values are same. M equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1 1 means roots are realigned equal. Three roots here, three roots are there and the three roots are realigned equal. Therefore general solution of y equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e to the power of mx. That is m value is 1, so y equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3x square e to the power of x. Okay, three solution. If 2 means c1 plus c2x, 3 means c1 plus c2x plus c3x square. If 4 means c1 plus c2x plus c3x square plus c4x cube. Here only 3 means up to x square. Okay, write down the problem. Okay. Next we will move to next problem. Solve d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 of y equal to 0. So given differential equation is d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 equal to 4 of y equal to 0. Compare with f of d of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4. Okay. Then auxiliary equation, f of m equal to 0, m cube plus m square plus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Here we get common factors, m square is common, m plus 1, 4 is common, m plus 1 equal to 0. So m plus 1 is common in the both the terms, m plus 1. So m square plus 4, m plus 1 means m equal to minus 1. So m square equal to minus 4. So m equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4. Square root of minus 1 means I. Square root of 4 means 2. So plus or minus 2. We get total 4 roots. Third order 3 roots. M equal to minus 1 real root and remaining 2 roots are 0 plus or minus 2i. A equal to 0, b equal to 2 complex roots. So general solution of equation 1 is c1 e to the power of m1x plus e to the power of ax into c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx, and substituting this value c1 e to the power of minus x e to the power of 0x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x, that is c1 e to the power of minus x plus c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. This is general solution. Write down the problem. Next problem. Solve d cube minus 2d square minus 3d of y equal to 0. So given differential equation d cube minus 3d square minus 3d of y equal to 0, compare with f of d of y equal to 0, where f of t equal to d cube minus 2d square minus 3d. So then auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus 2m square minus 3m equal to 0. Here all the terms, no constant terms, m is there, so m common. So m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. So m equal to 0 or m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0 and factors. We get factors m square minus 2m is minus 3m plus m minus 3 equal to 0. Here m is the common, here 1 is the common. We get next one m equal to 0, m square minus 2m minus 3m minus 3 equal to 0. So first m common, m minus 3, 1 common, m minus 3. So m minus 3 common, m minus 3, that is m plus 1 we get. So m equal to 3 comma minus 1. So total 3 values, m equal to 0, m2 equal to 3, m3 equal to minus 1. Means 3 roots are realigned different. So general solution of equation 1 is c1 e to the power of m1x, c2 e to the power of m2x plus c3 e to the power of m3x. Substitute values, we get the solution c1 e to the power of 0x plus c2 e to the power of 3x plus c3 e to the power of minus x. So e to the power of 0x value is 1. So y equal to c1 plus c2 e to the power of 3x plus c3 e to the power of minus x. It is third degree and all the terms of d cube m means d is there, means in auxiliary equation all the terms are m. Therefore we get m is common and m equal to 0 and another 2 roots, and another 2 roots also here real and different. So 3 roots are real and different. So solution is that. Write down the problem. It is over now. Write this one. Okay, let us move for next problem. First problem, I think last problem. So solve d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 of y equal to 0. Please listen carefully. D cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 of y equal to 0. So first given differential equation, it is already in the symbolic form. So d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 of y equal to 0. So compare with f of d of y equal to 0, where f of d equal to d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4. So auxiliary equation, next auxiliary equation, f of m equal to 0, that is m cube minus 5m square plus 8m minus 5 equal to 0. Here also no factors, we don't get direct factors, common factors. So synthetic division method, we have to use synthetic division method. For that we have to find one root by trial and error method. Here also if we substitute m equal to 1, 1 cube means 1, 5m square means 5, minus 5 plus 8 minus 4. So it is 9 minus 9 0. If it is plus 1, it is not satisfying, means we have to go for minus 1. Next minus 2 plus 3 minus 3, like that. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4, like that. We have to substitute and check it is satisfying or not. Here luckily we are getting here m equal to 1 is the root, satisfying the equation m equal to 1 is the root. So write down the coefficient m, synthetic division method, write down the coefficient m equal to 1. Here m cube coefficient is 1, m square coefficient is minus 5, m coefficient is 8 and constant is minus 4. First we have to take 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 into 1 we get 1, minus 5 plus 1, 4, minus 4, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, so 8 minus 4, 4, 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4, minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Compulsory we will get here 0. If and any term is missing, suppose it is 5, minus 5m square is not there, means instead of minus 5 we have to take here 0. Okay, if any coefficient is missing, any term is missing, then take that coefficient equal to 0. Okay, next. After this we have to write this equation. It is m cube means m square. We have to start with m square minus 4m square plus 4m. Next. So f of m equal to m minus 1 and m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. It is a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. So m minus 1 into m minus 2 whole square. So equal to 0, m equal to 1, and here m equal to 2 comma 2. M equal to 2 comma 2. So here three roots, two roots are real and equal and another is a real and different. So solution y equal to c1 into e to the power of m1x, it is for real and different, and equal roots c2 plus c3x e to the power of mx, this is equal root. Substituting these values m1, m2, m values, c1 e to the power of 1 into x, that is c1 e to the power of x, plus c2 plus c3x e to the power of 2x. Okay, here two roots, one root and another two roots are 2 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 2, two roots are real and equal and one root is real and different. So it is the solution, and final answer is c1 e to the power of x plus c2 plus c3x e to the power of 2x. Okay, first here symbolic form and auxiliary equation, and we are not getting the direct factors. So in trial method we have to find one root. Here m equal to 1 is one root, and by using synthetic division convert d cube into, we can get t square, and in the m square find out the factors. We got factors, then write solution, three solutions or three roots, write the general solution. Okay. For any queries, mail me. Any doubts, mail me on my mail id suresh.debadi@gmail.com. Okay. Thank you. And in this class, we discussed about homogeneous linear differential equation of higher order. Okay, and its solutions of homogeneous linear differential equation of higher order. Okay, thank you.